Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to link a credit card to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App and log into your account. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Linked Banks. This is where you can manage your linked payment methods, including debit and credit cards. If you have not yet linked a debit card, you will need to do that first before adding a credit card. Tap Add Debit Card and enter your card details. Once that is set up, you will see the option to link a credit card. Tap Link Credit Card and a notification will appear informing you that using a credit card for transactions comes with a 3% fee. Enter your credit card number, expiration date, CVV code, and zip code. Once done, tap Link Card to confirm. Your credit card will now appear under the Linked Banks section. If you experience an issue adding your card, it may be due to bank restrictions, so try using a different credit card if needed. So that's basically how you can link a credit card to Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.